What the fuck does the black nigga do? What's his perk?
You can't. There, that door right there. You know where? Oh, that's open already. Straight back.
He's black. Why he run so slow? Like,
To your right. To your. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah. Hey, check the door, nigga. To the back right. Back right. Open that door up. You good? You win the game. If you open this door up. The other side, nigga. The other side. Calm down, nigga. You broke it.
Don't break this shit.
Nigga. Calm down, nigga. You good.
Don't break that shit.
Nigga.